Imagine this. You've had a long, stressful day. Your mind is racing, your body tense. And then, in just a few moments of bliss, everything melts away. Your heart rate slows, your muscles relax, and a wave of euphoria washes over you. But have you ever stopped to wonder what actually happens inside your body when you orgasm? And more importantly, is it truly healthy for you? Today, we're diving deep into the science of pleasure. From its effects on the brain and body to its surprising long-term benefits, we're answering the age-old question. Are orgasms healthy? Orgasms are not just about pleasure. They trigger a powerful cascade of chemical reactions in your body. When you reach climax, your brain releases a cocktail of hormones: dopamine, oxytocin, endorphins, and serotonin. These are your body's natural feel-good chemicals, responsible for boosting mood, reducing stress, and even alleviating pain. For both men and women, orgasms activate the reward centers of the brain, similar to eating your favorite food or listening to a song that gives you chills. But the benefits don't stop at just feeling good. In today's fast-paced world, stress and anxiety are at an all-time high. The good news? Orgasms might be one of the most natural ways to combat them. Oxytocin, often called the love hormone, floods your system after orgasm. This powerful neurotransmitter is known to reduce cortisol levels, the hormone responsible for stress. It's why many people experience a sense of calm and emotional closeness after sex or masturbation. And for those struggling with sleep, orgasms have been shown to increase the production of prolactin, a hormone linked to drowsiness, helping you drift off into a deeper, more restful sleep. The benefits of orgasms extend far beyond just the mind. Regular orgasms have been linked to numerous physical health benefits. Pain relief. The endorphins released during orgasm act as natural painkillers, reducing headaches, menstrual cramps, and even chronic pain conditions. Improved heart health. Studies suggest that regular orgasms can lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Stronger immune system. Research indicates that sexual activity, including masturbation, can boost immune function by increasing the production of white blood cells. Pelvic floor strength. For both men and women, orgasms engage pelvic floor muscles similar to Kegel exercises. Stronger pelvic muscles can lead to better bladder control and improved sexual function. Could orgasms actually help you live longer? Some studies suggest they might. A famous study published in the British Medical Journal found that men who had frequent orgasms had a 50% lower mortality rate than those who didn't. Another study showed that women who had regular orgasms reported higher overall life satisfaction and better emotional well-being. And let's not forget, prostate health. Frequent ejaculation in older men has been associated with a reduced risk of prostate cancer. It turns out that pleasure might just be a part of the longevity formula. Orgasms do more than just feel good. They bring people closer together. The oxytocin surge after orgasm fosters feelings of trust, intimacy, and emotional bonding. This is one reason why many couples report feeling closer after sex. But what if you're single? The good news is that masturbation releases the same beneficial hormones, helping you experience the positive effects of orgasm even when you're alone. Despite the overwhelming evidence of their benefits, orgasms have long been surrounded by myths and misconceptions. Some people still believe that too much sexual activity can be harmful, or that masturbation leads to negative health effects. Science, however, tells a different story. Myth: orgasms cause weakness or energy loss. Truth: while orgasms can make you feel temporarily relaxed, they do not deplete energy levels long-term. In fact, they can enhance stamina and improve overall vitality. Myth: frequent orgasms reduce testosterone levels in men. Truth: while testosterone levels may temporarily dip after ejaculation, they quickly return to normal. Studies show that regular sexual activity can actually help maintain healthy testosterone levels over time. Myth: women have a lower sex drive than men. Truth: libido varies from person to person, and many factors, such as stress, hormonal changes, and lifestyle, can impact sexual desire in both men and women. So, are orgasms healthy? The answer is a resounding yes. From reducing stress and improving mood to strengthening relationships and even promoting longevity, orgasms are one of nature's most powerful gifts. Whether you experience them through partnered sex or solo pleasure, they provide undeniable benefits for both your body and mind. So the next time someone asks you if orgasms are good for you, you'll know exactly what to say. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future content. What are your thoughts on today's topic? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and most importantly, take care of yourself.